I'm back with another video. I got a request from a subscriber to do a face of the day or makeup tutorial. So thanks for the video idea. You know who you are. I am going to do my best to do this in a short amount of time. I am going to use only dollar store products because in real life I do this every morning and I don't use expensive makeup for work. Typically it's very, very inexpensive. So I'm using this $1 palette. This is actually from Big Lots, but it's $1. LA Colors. I am going to use either the individuals, or for the sake of time I might just put these on, from Dollar Tree. This is also from Dollar Tree. This is from Dollar Tree. I don't know if I'm going to use that, but we'll see. And then this as well. This is the Maybelline Superstay. And these are also from Dollar Tree. So let's get started. I started off with the wipes from Dollar Tree. I got these last year. It is the coconut flavor. And yeah. So that's that. And I'm going to start off with this concealer. This is also from Dollar Tree. I'd like to get all of my products when I can from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use the corrector. Typically every morning I do this routine and it only takes me about 5 minutes. This is not the morning, this is the evening. Actually it's probably like 8 o'clock at night. But I was sitting there trying to go through and upload another video that I did this morning in the car, but it was so dark, and then the little light that I had, you know, it just wasn't really effective. And then I had I noticed that it's kind of hard to talk and do this at the same time, but I noticed that the insurance stuff was showing up because I had the visor down. So I was like, yep, can't upload that one. All right, so this is in the color Honey, from Maybelline, number 320. So this is really what I do. I don't do a whole lot. And yeah, my face is a little red and like has more reddish blue undertones, I believe. And sometimes the makeup won't quite match, but typically this honey will match pretty well. You know what? I'm gonna stop because I don't want to blend it in quite yet. I want to go ahead and do my eyes. It's a little harder doing this while you're talking, but typically it's not that hard. So this is my LA Colors from Dollar Tree. This is also my LA Colors from Dollar Tree. Both of them are in brown. One is like black brown, one is dark brown. And yeah, I'm going to try to use this one because it has an angle on it. See the little tip? And can you see that? All right, so I like to, so my aunt used to teach me to do these to like arch your eyebrows. It's like an eye exercise. So I do that to lift them, and then I just pencil them in. Now, I am an expert. Yes, I am. So if you're not doing your brows like this, you are a loser. None of you are losers. Look, do your eyebrows, whatever, however it works for you. This is what works for me. It works sort of for me, I'll say. Because there are days when I'm like, okay, I got to start over. I did not do that well. Like in one of my videos, I think I mentioned my co-worker looking at me like, girl, look, you can't do your makeup in the car no more. Just do it in class. Because they were so dark. Because I had used a liner that was just way, way too dark. But he was so funny. I was cracking up. But yeah, I am no expert. That's really the truth. And so do this at your own risk, honey. Do it at your own risk. Yes, ma'am. All right, now let me get the ball running because it's already 6 minutes in. I'm going to go in again. This time I'm going to go in with this one right here. And I'm going to treat it like I'm really running late. Like this is my normal routine because I'm always late in the morning. I don't be late to work, but I be running late getting in the car. Because I take my son to work. And then I have to get to work myself. So, you know, I'm not a morning person, so I do this most mornings. Some mornings I'm actually a good girl and I do what I'm supposed to do. I get up early and I have my coffee and my breakfast and make some breakfast for the family and I do all the things and I'm so proud of myself. And the next day it's like, oh, you're a loser again. Tanya, you are the biggest loser. But it's okay. You know what? Because God got me. No, I really wish that I could be like up. Like you know, my mother used to be just a morning person, bright and shining, like ready to go early in the morning. I'd be like, oh Lord, I can't get up. And all of my kids have my gene except for one, and that's my son, Jonathan. And he actually wakes up early like that. No, he doesn't need an alarm clock, nothing. He goes to bed early, he wakes up early. Actually, since he's been older, he don't go to bed early no more, but he still wake up early. He's a morning person. Some people just are. And I saw that when I had him. I was like, wow, he just does it. I wish I could do that. So anyway, now I'm going to take... No, I don't want to do that yet either because I want it to blend afterwards. I'm going to take my shadow brush and go in on this palette. You can see I use it a lot because it's broken. And I'm just going to go in. I'm going to try to do this one up here. And on this side. Look at the payoff for $1. Like what? Why y'all spend all that money? Why are we? And let me include myself, because I know sometimes I'm tempted and I go to Sephora and Ulta and I'm like, yeah, that's cute. Oh, this smells like chocolate. Let me get this. And I do love Too Faced chocolate palette, by the way. Like I love Too Faced chocolate palette. Now I'm gonna go in with this orange. And I'm just going to go over it and blend, blend, blend. Windshield wiper, windshield wiper, windshield wiper. And let me do it again. Windshield wiper, windshield wiper, windshield wiper. I think that's pretty fabulous. What do you think? Windshield wiper, windshield wiper, windshield wiper, windshield wiper, windshield wiper, windshield wiper. Okay, you guys, I'm very goofy. I'm silly and all the things. Now I'm going to go in right here with this creamy color just for my lid. Not doing any cut creases today, just doing this. This is a normal routine. Early in the morning with the snow and the ice and the sleet and the rain. Today we had rain, y'all. In the video I showed that, but can't show the video like I said. Okay, lastly, I'm going to go in with my favorite color, which is this gold. Love gold. I could use... I actually have brushes designated for this. It's like a little tip brush, but I'm trying to do this quickly because it's like 16 minutes in. And yeah, that's that. All right, now I'm gonna blend away. And I'm very gentle around my eyes because I do not want any sagging in my eyes, you know? Oh, shoot. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna have to cheat just a tiny teensy weensy bit, okay? And I'm only cheating because I threw away my Milani contour that I bought from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna use this Too Faced. This is the chocolate palette. And this is so old that it's broken. But still has a little hint of chocolate smell to it. So anyway, I'm gonna go in with which color? This color right here. And I'm just gonna take my brush. I don't even have my angle brush. Sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. I got everything just all over the place. And then I'm just gonna come down here, up here, around my face. Yeah, I was looking through my makeup trash because I thought I still had it in there, but I threw it away. But normally I would use that. And honestly, I don't contour during the week, so I don't even know why I'm doing that. But let me go ahead and finish with the blending. And because I use this stick foundation, you don't need to do a whole lot of work because most of the work is done for you. That's why they create it like that. It just makes blending a lot easier when it's not a liquid form, you know? See how you just erase all of that? And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna finish this and I'll be right back. Alright, I went in a little bit with this brown as well on my nose. Not a little, almost too much. Alright, and then I'm just gonna take this, brush almost fell. Take this little brush here. I am gonna add a little bit of highlight to my nose. I do this during the morning. And my Cupid's bow. And that's about it. I am gonna also take this ivory color here and go above my brow. Alright, I did add some concealer to my lips because as you guys know, I have very dark lips naturally. Back in the day, people thought that I had lipstick on. I really did not. It was just my dark lips. Alright. So when I'm using this cheap mascara, I kind of let the lash put it on. I don't let this put it on. I let the lash do it. So I put it under and then I let the lash do the work. It helps a little bit. And then I'll just take the brush to get the ones in the front. Get the little hairs at the bottom. I don't know why I have to pull my face down. I don't know why I have to do that, but I do. And there you have it, ladies. This is the finished product. I did go ahead and add lashes, but I didn't get to film that because it would have taken me 5 hours. So if you want to see that, just let me know. But yeah, this is my everyday look. Sometimes I wear lashes, sometimes I don't. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you later. Bye.